Welcome, dear students. I am Dr. Rajiv Oberoi. So now we begin with the classification of halogen compounds. In the previous video, we have dealt with the introduction and the naming of halogen compounds. Now we come on to the classification. So remember that halogen compounds are broadly divided into two. One is called as the aliphatic halogen compounds, which are also termed as the open chain, and other one is aromatic halogen compounds. Now this aliphatic halogen compounds is further divided into haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes. So those open chain compound which contains all single bond in the chain are termed as haloalkanes. Those halo compounds or open chain compounds in which chain contains one or more double bond, they are termed as haloalkene. Those open chain compound in which the chain is having one or more triple bond is termed as haloalkynes. So these are open chain halogen compounds, that is aliphatic halogen compounds. Now we come to aromatic halogen compounds. So aromatic halogen compounds. Now aromatic halogen compounds are further divided into two. One is the nuclear halogen derivatives, also termed as haloarenes. Nuclear halogen derivative, also termed as haloarene, in which halogen is directly attached to the aromatic ring. Halogen is directly attached to the aromatic ring. And other is the side chain halogen derivative, in which a molecule is having aromatic ring but halo is attached to the side chain and not to the ring, also termed as benzylic halide. So halogen compounds are divided into aliphatic halogen compound and aromatic halogen compound. Aliphatic, which are open chain, are further divided into haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne. The aromatic halogen compounds are divided into nuclear halogen derivative and side chain halogen derivative. So let us continue with the classification of haloalkane. The first is classification based on the nature of the carbon. So remember, on the basis of the carbon to which halo group is attached, haloalkane are divided into number 1 primary haloalkane, number 2 secondary haloalkane, number 3 tertiary haloalkane. Let us first describe primary haloalkane, also termed as 1 degree. So here we say the carbon to which halo group is attached to if non-carbon atom or one carbon atom is attached, carbon having halo to it none or one carbon atom is attached, then it is termed as primary haloalkane. Next is the secondary haloalkane, termed as 2 degree. So we say carbon having halo to it 2 carbon atom attached, those compound in which carbon having halo, if to it 2 carbon atom are attached, then it is termed as 2 degree or secondary haloalkane. Next is the tertiary haloalkane. Now remember, carbon having halo group to it if 3 carbon atom attached, carbon having halo to it 3 carbon atom attached, then it is termed as 3 degree. So primary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane and tertiary haloalkane. Now let us take example to elaborate. We say that N-butyl chloride is termed as primary butyl chloride. Why? Because the carbon having halo to it only 1 carbon atom attached, 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon. Carbon having halo to it only 1 carbon atom attached, therefore this is termed as a primary compound. So N-butyl chloride is primary butyl chloride. Similarly, this compound is termed as isobutyl. Remember, isobutyl chloride is termed as secondary butyl chloride. The reason, the carbon having halo to it 2 carbon atom attached, the carbon having halo to it 2 carbon atom attached, therefore this is termed as secondary butyl chloride. So the next classification based on the hybridization of the carbon to which halo group is attached. On this basis, it is divided into two. Number one, halogen attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon, number one, and other is halogen attached to sp2 hybrid carbon. Number one, halogen attached to sp3 hybrid carbon. Number two, halogen attached to sp2 hybrid carbon. Now we are starting with number one. The halogen attached to sp3 hybridized carbon is further divided into alkylic halide number 1, allylic halide number 2, and benzylic halide number 3. Halogen attached to sp3 hybridized carbon is divided into 3: alkylic, allylic, and benzylic. So starting with the alkylic, so we say halogen attached to alkyl chain, that is a saturated carbon. Halogen attached to an alkyl chain, that is a saturated carbon chain. Halogen attached to a saturated carbon chain, this is N-butyl chloride. Over here, halogen is attached to a saturated chain, isobutyl chloride. Halogen is attached to a saturated chain, therefore they are termed as alkylic halide. Of course, this is primary, as I told you in the previous classification. This is secondary, this is tertiary, but all are alkylic halide because halo is attached to a alkyl group. Next is allylic halide. In this, halogen is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon. Halogen is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon which is adjacent to C double bond C, that is a double bond or sp2 hybrid carbon. So carbon is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon, but the next carbon have a double bond. Suppose this molecule. Over here, this is a 3 carbon chain. Carbon is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon, all sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. This carbon is sp3, but the carbon having halo group to it, the adjacent carbon is having a double bond. Over here, the carbon having halo, the adjacent carbon is having a double bond. So carbon is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon, but adjacent carbon contains a double bond. Such compound are termed as allylic halide. Now there is one more example, that halogen is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon, that is saturated carbon, but the adjacent carbon is having a double bond. The adjacent carbon is having a double bond. It is 3-chloro-cyclohexane. 3-chloro-cyclohexane. The third category is benzylic halide. Now in this case, halogen is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon. Halogen is attached to sp3 hybrid carbon which is attached to benzene ring. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized, to it halo is attached, but this carbon is having a aromatic ring attached to it. Such are termed as benzylic halide. The second category is halogen attached to sp2 hybrid carbon. They are further divided into two. One is vinylic halide, other is aryl halide. Vinyl halide and aryl halide. So what are vinylic halide? So we say those compounds in which halogen is attached to C double bond C, that is sp2 hybrid carbon. So over here, this is a compound in which halo is attached to a carbon bonded through double bond. Over here, it is attached to the halo is attached to a carbon which is bonded through a double bond. Over here, this halo is attached to a carbon which is bonded through double bond. Next and the last category is aryl halide, where halogen is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon which belongs to the aromatic ring. Remember, halogen is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon which belongs to aromatic ring. So this is a compound which is an aromatic compound. This is the carbon which is sp2 hybridized, and halogen is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon. Halogen is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon. Halogen is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon which is part of the ring. So the classification of halo compound is very important, especially for the competitive examination, also for the